Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. We've got 19-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Come around back. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. This does come with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 25,531 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.